Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in cool Mandeville, Manchester. So we are entering Caledonia Road, and then we're gonna go over to the Manchester shopping center. You have Shoppers Fair, a lot of different stores, a lot of different outlets. So we're just doing a drive in Mandeville, Manchester for you guys, driving around the place. I haven't done much video, or probably any video this side of town or this side of Jamaica. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. So subscribe and join the Raymore Reviews family. Remember to turn on your post notification bell, so that once there is an upload, you'll be notified. Remember to leave a comment as well. Share your comment in terms of the shopping center. That's the Manchester Shopping Center. And remember to like the video and share the video. So let's just drive around a bit. I'm sure you already seen some of the names of the different shops. This is the food court area. So different outlets here. Yeah, so Manchester Shopping Center. Multiple different businesses, stores, shops, restaurants, you know, you name it. Barbers, salon, FedEx, DHL. Some of the longest lines you'll see nowadays is Western Union lines, you know, persons sending in remittances. You know, almost every Western Union line outlet is long. Alright, so this is the food court area. Let's go back onto the shopping center area. Then they have pawn shop, Cash Whiz. You can pawn out an item if you need some emergency cash. Alright, let's drive around. Alright, so we see adequate parking, but as usual, you know, would have preferred, and we're always gonna advocate for, you know, underground parking or multi-level parking to create more physical infrastructural space. Alright, so this is the Manchester Shopping Center, the Purple Plaza of Mandeville, or the Purple Plaza of Manchester. Alright, and I'm sure some of you guys probably have been over here before. It could be a regular spot as well. And we have Fontana Pharmacy here. They have other locations in Kingston. They have a new one on Waterloo Road. So if you're from Mandeville, guys, if you're from Manchester, if this is your regular spot, let me know in the comments section. Alright, so you have another side around here. You have Barita Global Travel. Alright, so we'll go on to Caledonia Road and then we can end the video from there. Alright guys, so we'll end the video around here. We just covered the Manchester Shopping Centre. Remember to leave your comments in terms of this video. If you have been to the shopping centre before, if it's a regular spot for you, or if you are probably you're just from Mandeville, let us know in the comments. And we'll definitely see you on another video as well. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, thanks for subscribing.